rice, and I'm going to show you how it's done. So let's put some water in a pot. It should be enough to cook the rice. Okay, alright, and then let's put some butterfly pea flour, or in Thailand they call it dok anchan. Okay, so let's boil it. Okay, so let's wait for this to boil. So let's put let's let it boil, and we wait until the color comes out. Okay, so now the color is turning blue. Alright, it's turning blue. So let's just wait till it gets a little bit darker. Okay, so now the color has turned into dark blue. Let's just turn it off and wait for it to cool down. Alright, so let's remove these flowers. So I have here the rice, and let's go ahead and go wash it. Okay, so I have washed the rice, and now we're going to use the dok anchan water to cook the rice. As you can see, so it's blue. Okay, so let's check. Okay, we need to put more. So what we're going to do is let's cover this and cook this. Right? Alright, so it's cooked. Let's see. Ooh,